ये जो इंडिया है ना, इसे 1947 में आजादी मिली और कंगना रनौत को 2021 में पद्मश्री। India is proud of its freedom struggle and Kangana should be proud of her Padma Shri. Now India को आजादी भीख में मिली, nor did Kangana go begging for a Padma Shri. दोनों कहानियां हैं मेहनत की, one of a great decades-long national movement and the other of an individual's effort. But instead of showing grace, Kangana chose to be crass after her award, saying that what India and Mahatma Gandhi got in 1947 was not freedom but bheek, charity from the British. Now my daughter is 16. She will vote in 2024 and she is trying to understand the India she lives in. She read about Kangana's comment online and her question was, why should we take Kangana Ranaut seriously? It doesn't change the facts or alter India's awesome history. So why bother about her view? After all, कौन है कंगना रनौत? Well, unfortunately, why we should take Kangana Ranaut seriously is an important question for us all, because hers is not a lone voice. It's one of the loudest in a growing chorus of voices. You can ignore one irrational voice, you can ignore one voice that's unaware of India's history. But there are many voices out there today, attacking Gandhi one day, attacking Nehru the next day, creating imaginary differences between the greats of India's freedom struggle. Bose was ignored, Patel did not get his due, Ambedkar versus Gandhi, and so on. We see it in abusive tweets and social media posts, in yelling matches on news channels, in political speeches, from low-level rabble-rousers to even top leaders. Some parrot what they see on social media, some use such statements to rise in local politics, to get invited by news channels, to become party ke star campaigners, to get election tickets. Some write articles and books containing dubious facts and spin. Seen as a whole, these are attempts to alter the facts of India's history, to distort our history. When this is done for petty personal reasons or for short-term political gains and simply not based on facts, rubbishing our freedom struggle, trashing Gandhi, then it should worry us. It should worry us all. We must question it and call it out repeatedly. But even more worrying is this, that Kangana Ranaut saw her Padma Shri as a signal to say what she did. The first sign was her video in which she insisted that her Padma Shri was for calling out fellow Indians as jihadis and terrorists and Khalistanis.
और ज़्यादा जागरूकता आए देश को लेके, तो देश को तोड़ने वाली शक्तियां, फिर चाहे वो जिहादी हो या खालिस्तानी हो या दुश्मन देश हो, उनके खिलाफ आवाज उठाई.
But those who gave her the Padma Shri chose not to correct her. It was a clear signal. So she followed it up with this comment कि हमें 1947 में भीख मिली, not आजादी. Again, barring the lone voice of Varun Gandhi and a BJP leader from Maharashtra, there was no comment from the government, the BJP, the Sangh, even though this time her target was the father of the nation and our entire freedom struggle. It was left to cartoonists to ask whether we were celebrating 75 years of bheek ya azadi. It was left to music composers to tell Kangana that Bhagat Singh never begged for India's freedom or for his life when he was hanged by the British. So what's the message to Kangana from this silence? Keep it up. Attacking Gandhi is allowed. Just like supporting Godse, Gandhi's killer, on Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary in January 2021, which didn't come in the way of her Padma Shri. Ridiculing India's freedom struggle, that is also allowed. Ridiculing all the years spent by thousands of freedom fighters in jail. Ridiculing the lathis and bullets that killed thousands, all allowed. No sedition charge, no UAPA, while a comedian spends a month in jail for a joke he never told. An actress is allowed to insult the Mahatma, insult our freedom struggle on camera, on record, with no consequences. In fact, Kangana's fellow haters may well be telling her कि बस मैडम, ये सब कहने के बाद आप तो अब पद्म भूषण के लिए रेडी हो जाइए. It's also a signal to the entire hate brigade. Think of Kangana as your role model. But the fact is, Mangal Pandey, Rani of Jhansi, Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bose, Patel, Nehru, Maulana Azad, Ambedkar, Savarkar, and of course Gandhi, they never begged. They brought the British Raj to its knees to gift us our आजादी. भीख नहीं, बेशकीमती तोहफा थी 1947 की आजादी. And ये जो India है ना, it is grateful to all of them. It is tragic that a Kangana Ranaut is allowed to rubbish these heroes to serve a petty political agenda.